You've got your website up and running, but it feels like it's missing something, right? Well, it's probably because everything on your website is static. So let's liven it up with some dynamic content and unify everything under a consistent brand. It starts in the Website Studio. You see that folder icon at the top? Click it and you'll discover the secret to truly dynamic websites. This is your site's content folder. You can think of it as your website's stockroom. Everything in here can be published instantly on your live site. This includes uploaded files, content profiles on UniWeb, and video links with full metadata. All of these things can be used on your site. Right now though, the folder's empty. And that's a problem, so let's fix it. We'll go through 3 examples. The first using articles for blogging, the second constructing our own resource library, and the third showcasing some videos for our site. First, let's look at articles. The first thing is to create a page for your blog to live on your website. So create a new dynamic page and follow the wizard to configure it to display articles from the folder. So now head to the UniWeb dashboard, click Create, select Article, and fill in the basic info. Now, this is your writing space. It looks similar to the website editor, but without components and extra structure. So the same applies. Just write naturally, add in your media, add captions, formatting, whatever. When you're done, click Add to Site, add it to your site, and that adds it to the folder that we saw at the beginning of the video. You can go to your site and check to make sure everything worked, and you can see your articles right there. So then, for every future article you write, just add it to the folder and it goes on your website without any extra hassle. Next, let's build a resource library. So create a new website section, follow the dynamic content wizard, similarly to with articles, but this time just select documents. And then head back to the Website Studio, click the folder, and you can create a subfolder to keep things organized and just upload your files there. This will make it a lot easier as your website grows and you have lots of content in your folder. You could also use this to create an image library, except you'd upload images instead of files. So back to your website, your documents are here and live previews ready for your visitors to browse or download. The last example we'll go through quickly is videos. It's basically the same process as we've done twice. Create a new section, set up the dynamic content, head to the folder, add a subfolder, add your multimedia links. Back to the website, everything is live automatically, and you can see that all the metadata from those videos are right there by the video. This would work great for things like product demos or testimonials, where a video really helps convey the meaning better. So now let's switch gears and unify everything under a custom domain. You have 2 options here. If you already own a domain, you can bring it to UniWeb. Just customize your domain, enter your domain, and follow the steps in the wizard. Or if you don't have a domain already, you can buy one directly from UniWeb. Just search for the domain you want, buy it, and UniWeb will handle all the configuration for you, as well as renewals and your SSL certificates. Once everything's configured, all of your content lives under that domain. Professional, trustworthy, and uniquely yours. This is what helps keep your website fresh and dynamic. For every change you need to make, you don't need to edit your website. If you have a change in one of your documents, just switch out the document. It's as easy as that, and you can do it from the folder. This also means that you can collaborate on the content that feeds your website, as well as your website itself. Essentially, websites are no longer just static content. They're rich digital experiences that you can create with the simplicity of just organizing some files.